Hello, this is Seth Pruitt at Sutton Technologies. Welcome to a ServiceStar tutorial. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create ticket estimates in ServiceStar. Estimates are the crucial step between identifying the vehicle's issues and having the customer authorize the work to be done. With this feature, you are able to use the system to create a comprehensive estimate including issues, parts, labor, sublets, or anything else that might be put on a ticket. This process is essentially the same as when creating a service ticket, but with one major difference. No actual pricing is placed on the ticket line items until the estimate status is changed to approved. To begin, open the service ticket screen and click Add to create a new service ticket. Now I'm going to add the pertinent header information as well as add a customer to this ticket, but we'll just skip ahead to the combined view. Here, below the combined view area, you'll see the view options: Info View, Cost View, Standard View, and Estimate View. Click on the Estimate View to begin creating the estimate. There are two ways to create a ticket estimate. The first way that I will demonstrate is to add each line separately from the Combined View tab, create the issue, then add labor, parts, and sublets as necessary. The second way will be to create a job estimate while you are in the issue screen itself. To begin the first example, right-click on the Combined View and select Add Issue. Enter the issue code or a description of the issue, select a technician, and click OK to add the issue to the estimate. Next, add any parts, labor, or sublet line items to the issue. I'll start with a part estimate. When adding a part estimate, it's important to remember that the part number isn't required. This will allow you to add the part estimate without needing all of the details of a specific part. Now, the part number will have to be entered before the ticket can be closed later on in the process, but it's not necessary for the estimate. Now I'm going to tab down here to this estimate line and enter a quantity of 1 and enter the cost at $45. Now, as you can see, the part is automatically marked up to a retail price. And when you click OK, you'll be able to see that we have a part estimate now added to that issue as well. Next, we're going to right-click and add a labor estimate for this issue. Enter a description of the work, the billed hours, or the estimated hours for the labor, and then click OK to add that labor estimate to the issue. So there you have it. We have an entire estimate for the check brakes issue. Now we will recreate this exact same issue using the second method in the issue screen. First, right-click and select Add Issue. Now we're going to recreate the first issue using the second method, which allows us to create the entire issue from this one screen. Begin by selecting the issue code and then assigning a technician. Now proceed to this box on the right side of the screen where we're going to add our estimates for in-house parts, which is going to be a quantity of 1 and a cost of $45, just like before. And then we're going to also add our estimate for in-house labor. And we're going to enter our description of the work, as well as the estimated hours, and click OK. Now notice that we've got estimated dollars for parts and labor, as well as taxes and an estimated total. So now we can click OK to add this issue to the estimate. As you can see, these issues are identical all the way down to their dollar values, so you can just select whichever method is most convenient for you. Next, click the Standard View button and notice that while the two issues and their parts and labor are visible, there aren't any dollars attached in the Standard View. This is because none of the estimates have been approved. They're all still in pending status, which can be seen here back in the Estimate View. As each estimate is either approved or declined, the estimated dollars for that job will be added to or removed from the Standard View on the ticket. We will now change the estimate status for each of these issues. So first, come down beneath the Combined View and click on the button labeled Change Estimate Status. And now we're going to click the appropriate checkbox whether we want to approve or decline each estimate. Because these issues are duplicates, I'm going to approve the first one and decline the second one. Then click OK to finalize that selection. Now that we're done changing the status, you can see here in the estimate column that we have approved for the first issue and declined for the second issue. Also, in the standard view, the first issue has the numbers attached, the dollar amounts, and the second issue is still zeroed out. And if we scroll over here a little bit, you can see in the total line that our total is going to be $131.73 for this ticket. This concludes the first tutorial for using estimates in ServiceStar. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact us with any questions or comments.